All right, welcome everyone to the on time, on target play of the day. We have 30 seconds to the open. You see four screens in front of you. You have the SPY on the left. That's the S&P 500. You see there's a nice big trend up here going into the open. Even though the futures in the red, we're trending higher. We have one long, which is INSG, set up here in this middle left pane. That's the arrow right there that shows you that. CVAC and SRG short. They're both kind of low volume, so you have to be kind of patient. So with that, here we go. Okay, these two are both heart of the envelope shorts. This would have to be $1.50 in CVAC. This is backing up higher, so that can be good for the entry point. Kind of volume we got 70,000 on that initial bar, so I like how this is backing up. So we got a high of the day. We would need to cover up to 1610. Let's take SRG short at 16. We'll chase it higher here if we have it, if we need to. INSG taking off. Yep, let's go 1605 for our entry point at SRG. There's our entry point. Actually, hold on for a second. Hold up. It's going to be a 15-cent stop here. If it ticks higher, I'm going to take it at 1610. I'm waiting for kind of the next one here. Okay, 1610. Yep, let's take it here. You're going to use a 10-cent stop up to 1620. All right, there we go. And again, we have the arrow down, so our trade, our 1 hour point is 16 even. The 2 hour point is 15.9, where there was a lot of congestion here on the downside. Come on. And then if it falls back there, our 3 hour point is 15.8. If it hits right down to that 15.8 here in the first few minutes, I'm going to keep a third of it. So divide what you have by 3 and just keep it and let the rest sell off for the rest of the day. So pretty good entry point here at 1610. We're already at the 2 hour point. Okay, get ready for your, I know my tickers now. Get ready to buy it back. There we go. All right, almost at the exit point there. Got darn close. So just hold on to this. Again, we entered at 1610. We're at the 2 hour point. Wait for it to hit 15.8. I'm selling 2/3. I'm going to hold the rest probably all day long. All right, so we're waiting for that. Let's see. CVAC backed up. Again, this was up there it is. So we're out. Hold on. Whoa, we made a lot more. All right, out of 2/3 there. Ooh, got a nice exit on that. So again, we're at the 3 hour point. So again, this is our check mark of justice. I'm keeping 1/3 of my shares and holding it on from there. So again, we entered at 1610. We have 1, 2, 3 times our money right there. You could exit with all of it if you wanted. This did go down to, what did it touch at the 5 hour point? I did not get that exit, but I was pretty happy with my exit here. And come on. And I'll tell you what to do with this trade for the rest of the shares. Again, CEO resigned, so that's why I have confidence I can hold this all day long. Not a lot of people are buying into a stock where the CEO resigns. All right, this thing is not going. There we go. Okay, so we are at the 4 hour point right now. So with the rest of your shares, this was our entry point. So what I would recommend, if you kept any, and if you bailed on it, that's fine. But if you kept any, I would take it right to our take it to the 1 hour point. So put instead of the upper limit being 16.2, bring it all the way to 16. So that way, if 1/3 of those shares come back up and touch 16, then you'll be stopped out of it. So for the 2/3 of the shares, you got whatever exit you got here, which was at least 3x your money. And then for the other remaining shares, you're going to make 1 R no matter what, and you could possibly make more as this thing continues to sell off. So anyhow, kind of a textbook short there. Very pleased with that. out of 2/3 of the trade at the 5-minute point, and with money still being made there. And this right here is the 4R point. So cool. All right, we'll check.